I'm Frederik Wouters from Dropsolid. In this video, I'll show you how, using the Dropsolid platform, you can create a new website from start to finish without developer intervention or operations people involved. Let's dive in. Let's create a new project on the Dropsolid platform. Here we go. I give it a project name. I choose the organization that I'm a member of. I choose the project type. You can choose HTML for a front-end project or Drupal for a Drupal web project. If in your organization you have a specific install profile, which allows you to generate hundreds of websites that look and feel the same and that have the same functionality, you can upload your own install profile. In this case, I'm just going to go with standard Drupal 10. I'm going to choose the Git reference and I'm going to deploy to this server here. Let's take PHP 8.2. There we go. By default, it gives me the dev and a staging environment. And now it's creating the environments for me.
A few moments later.
So it has created a GitLab repository, which you can access via the secure shell if you've added your SSH key to the platform, and a GitLab if you want to go look at the repository. There's a single sign-on with the platform. You can just click through it and go look at the repository. In this case, we're not interested in the code. We see that Drupal is there and this is sufficient. Let's check the environments.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the first environment has been completely created. Let's go into that. It already has a URL. For now, I'm going to turn off password protection. So it's publicly available. It will reboot the environment thing. So this takes a few minutes.
A few moments later.
So it's been recreated. The URL is publicly available. We can install our Drupal website now. Voila, my first website has been created and I'm logged in as an administrator. If you want, you can go check out the code. You can add your own domain name. So by just adding a domain name here, enabling SSL, we will manage the certificate for you and you have an HTTPS website that is completely set up, ready to go. If you're also interested in creating websites without developer intervention or just want to see more information, visit us at dropsolid.ai. Thanks for watching.